Welcome, dear students. Today we will learn about determiners. A determiner is a word placed in front of a noun to specify quantity or to clarify what the noun refers to. All determiners can be classified as one of the following: an article, a demonstrative, a possessive, a quantifier. We can classify the determiners into two groups. The first group helps in identifying things, and the second group helps in indicating quantity. Now let's understand each of them in detail. Group A, determiners used for identifying things. Under that, articles. The example for articles: I bought a new car yesterday. A new car. Car is noun. Next, demonstrative. The example: I bought this piano yesterday. Possessives. Example: do you like my new house? Two group A determiners cannot be put together. For example, this is my car or my this car. So this is incorrect. We can't put them together. Group B, determiners used for indicating quantity. Example: I didn't buy many vegetables today. Here, many is not a great number. Next example: I want some sugar. Some plus noun is functioning as determiner. Two group B determiners can be used together if they make sense. Like for example, we meet every few days. Every few days can be put together and it makes sense. Some is generally used in affirmative sentences. Some, when used with nouns to represent things that can be counted, means a few or a small number. Let's take an example. I have bought some saris. Some is countable over here. When used with singular noun to represent something that cannot be counted, means a little or a small quantity. For example, there is some coffee in the kettle. Some, here it is uncountable. Much, many. Much means a great number. It is used with countable nouns. For example, many people went to greet him. Much means a large quantity. It is used with uncountable nouns. For example, the carpenter has much work in hand. Less, fewer. Less denotes quantity. Example: please put less sugar in my tea. Next example: fewer denotes number. Let's look at the example. There are fewer girls in this section than in that section. All, whole. All denotes number as well as quantity. Number, example: he ate all the apples. In quantity, the example is he split all the milk. Whole denotes quantity only. Example, we have written on the whole page. Either, neither. Either means one of the two or both. One of the two, let's take an example. You can go by either road. Both, there are houses on either side of the road. Neither means none of the two. Let's take example. Neither side is winning. Few, a few, the few. Few means hardly any. Example, he is a man of few words. A few means a small number. Example, I have a few friends in London. The few means not many but all of them. Example, he lost the few friends he had. Little, a little, the little. Little means hardly any. Example, there is little sugar left in the pot. A little means some, though not much. Example, a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. The little means not much, but the whole of it. For example, I gave to the beggar the little money I had. Let's take examples. Fill in the blanks with many, much, all, whole, the whole. Note down from the screen. Next, fill in the blanks with little, a little, or the little, few, a few, or the few. Thank you.